200-year-old kitchen ഉണ്ട്. ആ കിച്ചണിലേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ ലഞ്ച് കഴിക്കാൻ പോകും. നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശ്യാം ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇസ് ശ്യാമാഞ്ജനം. ഞങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത് ലേയുടെ അടുത്തായിട്ട് ഒരു 16 kilometers അവേ ഒരു സ്റ്റോക്ക് വില്ലേജ് എന്നുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് സ്റ്റോക്ക് വില്ലേജ് എന്നാണ് അത് തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു പാലസ് ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റോക്ക് പാലസ്. അതിവിടെ ഒരു മ്യൂസിയം ഉണ്ട്. ആ മ്യൂസിയം കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ തന്നെ ഒരു 200-year-old കിച്ചൺ ഉണ്ട്. ആ കിച്ചണിലേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ ലഞ്ച് കഴിക്കാൻ പോകും. അപ്പോൾ ട്രഡീഷണൽ ലഡാക്കി ഫുഡ് ഒക്കെ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടെന്നൊക്കെ നോക്കാമല്ലോ. Sir, how was the museum, sir?
Too good. Very old things we could see.
Sir,
Nice way to preserve our heritage. Awesome.
thank you, sir. Prashant, your
Yeah, I enjoyed viewing the museum. It was a good time. Thank you.
paintings.
Yeah, it's learned a lot about Ladakhi history.
What century painting was it?
15th century paintings we saw, and we also saw 18th century armor. So it was good.
Thank you very much. Avinash, your opinion?
Good museum.
Yeah.
Wish to stay here one day.
There is a hotel also here, no? Chandan, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your opinion about it?
Hi. We liked seeing those old items which the royal families used. One disappointment is we could not see the royal family.
It's worth coming all the way to this place. It's really good. They have 80 rooms available, and plus they give 6 or 7 rooms to normal public also. So you can book online and come here. I think it's worth staying here. All the best. Thank you.
This will definitely.
Nice place, lovely palace. It is a 200-year-old palace, 80 rooms. I love to stay here, but I need a financier to finance me to come and stay here. Wish you all the luck. Thank you, Doc.
Your opinion about the palace?
Hi. Well, this is a 15th century palace. It's very nice to see that it's been preserved very well in spite of 6 centuries. And the best part is the heritage has been preserved here. And well, of course, the royal family is still existing. It's still there. I was wondering as to how they were managing in 15th century with the climate here and with the dresses and all what they are wearing. It would be very difficult for them. But still, in those days, it was like that. So, yeah, felt good coming here.
Hi. Of course, I like history, and of course, this is a very old dynasty. I believe the present set of people are 36th generation of their dynasty. It's really mind-boggling. I enjoyed. Like to see other palaces also to have a better idea of these things. Thank you.
Thank you. Your opinion?
Yes, your opinion.
Madam?
We need a guide. We need a guide for every room. We need a guide for everything depicted here. It's just some writing, so we need more clarity. So we should need a guide for this palace.
Now, doctor's review. Take the camera.
Yeah, I liked it. Of course, it's a beautiful place, a lot of flowers around, as you can see. Right?
Nicely maintained.
Yeah, nicely maintained, yeah. And next time when I come, I'll stay here one day.
Yes.
Okay?
Definitely.
Yeah, welcome.
I don't mind coming and staying here for.
Dr. Shyam,
Amit sir, you also have to.
This location is very, very beautiful. Surrounded.
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need, everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. About you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really want.
चलेगा यार, जो भी है अब तो दे दो.
Chai, namak tea. Namak tea.
Salt tea. Salt tea डाल दिया गरम में. कीड़ा था नमक वाला है. कैरेमल. ये बटर डाला हुआ है. बटर है. इसको बटर टी.
Butter tea.
बटर टी.
कैसा लगा सबको? बटर टी कैसा लगा?
मस्त.
और इतने बारिश में बीच के है. बटर टी तो बटर नहीं हुए, तो लग रहा है जान में जान आ गया करे. गरम गरम. गुड़ गुड़ चाय कैसे बनता है देखिए प्लीज. डेमो. गुड़ गुड़ चाय.
Sounds like a good. That's why it's called गुड़ चाय. और इसको गुड़ बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
इसमें बटर, लोकल का बटर
लोकल काव या याक बटर?
काव बटर।
काव बटर है, याक बटर नहीं है, क्लियर हो गया।
ये बॉयल बटर, सॉल्ट, टी लीव्स,
सॉल्ट, टी लीफ,
थोड़ा सा डला हुआ है।
गुड़
इसका नाम है गुड़।
हाँ देखा, पकड़ लिया।
अभी थर्मोस नहीं होता ना, तो ये केची यूज करते हैं। तो ये
इसमें मिल्क नहीं जाता है?
मिल जाता है, गाय का मिल्क।
ये क्या है?
ये लोकल वाइन, लोकल वाइन, लोकल बियर समझ लो, बिना गैस वाला बियर।
गरम है?
वो ठंडा है।
खिचड़ी खट्टा खट्टा। Take a photograph of our face.
Cheers guys.
Cheers. Good picture is a good time.
എന്തെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സൂപ്പർ?
बार्ली का सूप।
पूरा वेज है सर।
लोकल पास्ता।
What is this, sir?
Pasta.
Pasta.
The akhri pasta was very good. Thank you.
फ्राइड मोमो ना?
हाँ।
हाँ सब्जी।
Make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. About you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell